So first, I start by using my first base primer. It's a spray by NYX. Please forgive the sound, it's hot as hell in here. So then I go in with my spoolie and I begin to brush the hairs up. Then I go in with my Kiss Luxury eyeliner pencil. Like this. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and this is in the color Intensifying Brown. Another thing I'll do, I'll take the spoolie brush and I'll brush my hairs back up like I did previously, and then I'll start making like little hairs, like flicking the eyeliner pencil up. Them brows look good already. Now going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Excuse my niece, she's mad rude. And then a brush like this. I'm not sure where I got this brush from, y'all. I'm sorry. I began to carve out my brows. Oh, I forgot, y'all. So I'll go in with my Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream like this. And that's just a little moisturizer that I do on my lips. Back to the eyebrows. And with the residue on my brush, I just come in right here. And now for the top brow, I'll go in a darker color with LA Girl Pro Concealer, also in the color Beautiful Bronze. And I do that with the KO Cosmetics in the number 103. It looks like this. Kind of like what I did at the bottom with this color. I just come in the middle like this. And then with the Real Technique, I always say that wrong, Real Technique setting brush, it looks like this. I'm just going to blend out the concealer that I did. So now with my Airspun loose face powder, looks like this. I'm going to set the lid. And I also use this brush to set it. So the palettes, well, kind of the palettes I'm going to use today is the Lady Boss by Amore Us. I got this palette because I have this thing on Instagram. It's called Face Sugar. If you guys use my code, my Instagram is MUA_London Ray. Use my code, then you guys could get these palettes and a lot of other stuff for, you know, money off, and a lot of makeup for cheap and everything. So use my code. Anyways, I'm gonna use this palette, and I'm using the Sugar Pill palettes. So this is a perfusion brush. I think that's how you say it, perfusion brush. It has this end and this end. I'm going to use this end, and with the Amore Us Lady Boss palette, I'm going to use the color Slay right here, and I'm just going to blend out all over my lids. And with another perfusions brush, a clean one, I'm gonna go in with the Sugar palette. I'm going to get this orange right here. now I'm going to take a kind of angled brush, but it's still also a blending brush also. I got this brush on Amazon. I'm going to take the red from the Sugar Pill palette, and I'm going to put it on the outer corners of my eyes. Now normally I will start from dark to light, but because this is on the outer corner, it really doesn't matter. Now going in with this clean perfusion brush, I'm going to blend everything together. The key with colors is to blend, 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 blend until you can't blend no more. Now going in with a KO Cosmetic brush in the number 104, which is a little bit bigger than the 103 that I use. I'm going to use Fawn again, and I'm kind of going to cut the crease a little bit. So because I do have hooded eyes, sometimes I'll look up, or sometimes I'll just kind of feel where the crease of my eye is, and I'll go a little bit over. So now I'm going in with the slayyy brush that looks like this, and this is the eyelid brush. I'm gonna go in with the Lady Boss palette again, but I'm going to use Goals, which is this one, and Simi, which is this one. So I'm gonna start with Simi on the outer part of the crease, and then I'm gonna go in with Goals on the inner corner. And with a tiny little brush like this, I really don't know where I got this brush from. I'm gonna start to pack Goals on, like I said, in the inner corner. So the brush goes, so the tiny brush wasn't working, so now I'm gonna go in with Beauty Treats brush. It looks like this, and you already know, I'm gonna pack it in. Ooh, baby, okay. So now I went to Sephora and I bought some samples, and now I'm about to try out the NARS Natural Radiant. I think it's the New Orleans one. My little foundation. Honestly, people really sleep on Sephora, but this little thing can cover your face, and it could cover it for a few days. Like, you could use this for a few days. And the brush I'm going to use is a BS Mall face round brush. It looks like this. Like, do you see what I'm saying when I say full coverage and a little bit goes a lot? I already got half of my face done. So going back with my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn, I'm about to highlight, well, conceal. I'm about to conceal under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, well, halfway. I like to do it halfway, like I stop it right there, and then I'll do the tip of my nose, under my cheekbones, my chin, and sometimes I do my forehead, but I'm not gonna do it this time. And with the regular beauty blender like this, I got from Walgreens, I blend everything out. Y'all forgive the ugly faces I make. I know I make some ugly faces, and I promise I really cannot help it. Sometimes I'll do contour, but I really lately I haven't been contouring, so I guess you could say I don't contour. But anyways, moving along, we're gonna go back with the Airspun loose powder and the setting brush, and I'm going to set everywhere I highlighted. And for me, I do not bake. Yeah, that's my movie. I will watch this all day with my niece. So using a small brush like this that I got online and my L'Oreal True Match powder and the color Deep Cool, I come on the sides of my nose and right there. With my KO Cosmetics in the color 118 brush, looks like this. I do apples on my cheek, my jawline, and a little bit of my forehead, and of course my sides. Now with my Kale blush palette, I use the color Just Peachy. And with my Beauty Treats blush brush, I'm about to add some blush. Listen, little babies, we are almost done with this look, okay? Now with my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Base, I'm going to put that all over my lashes. Now with my Ginseng Volume Mascara, my cousin bought this for me for my birthday, and it's in the color black. Looks like this. Now I'm about to put my eyelashes on. They look like this. I don't remember where I got them from though, so sorry. And I'm going to apply my eyelashes using the Broadway Strip Lash. It is in the color black. Now sometimes when I do my eyelashes, because this is a black glue, it'll get like that, like the glue will get all over my eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a little bit of liner right on top, and I'm going to outline it using the black elf liner. Now going back with that mascara, I'm just gonna coat it a little bit on the lashes. So I'm gonna outline my lips with the same intensifying brown that I used on my eyebrows. And with my NYX Lingerie lip, it's a lip cream in cashmere silk, I'm gonna put that all over my lips. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my matte finishing spray, and I got this from Five Below. If anybody knows what Five Below is, well, what Five Below is, I got this from Five Below. So with the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Shimmerista illuminating highlighter like this, I'm going to start to highlight my nose, forehead, and the apples of my cheeks. For my nose, I'm going to use a small highlighting brush like this. And with a beauty blender like this, I mean a beauty blending brush like this, I got this brush from Walgreens like a few years ago. I'm going to start to highlight. So that completes the look, ladies and gentlemen. Bye, babies.